Assalamu alaikum. Hi, dear students, how are you? I am MD Mustafizur Rahman Ripon, Assistant Teacher English, Goldarhat Secondary School. Dear students, you know that now we are facing a very critical situation. For this reason, we cannot continue our classes at the school premises. For this reason, we have arranged to take your classes in online platform. Dear students, in my previous class, I told you that I tried to explain the details about preposition. In my previous class, I told you there are three kinds of numeral adjectives. They are cardinal numeral adjectives, ordinal numeral adjectives, and multiplicative numeral adjectives. And in my previous class, I tried to explain you what is cardinal numeral adjectives. And due to my shortage of my phone's memory capacity, I cannot explain what is ordinal numeral adjectives and what is multiplicative numeral adjectives. Today, I will try to explain you what is ordinal numeral adjectives and what is multiplicative numeral adjectives, inshallah. So let's start. Ordinal numeral adjectives. Dear students, the adjectives which gradually instruct the order or place of the noun, that adjective is called ordinal numeral adjectives. I repeat, the adjectives which gradually instruct the order or place of the noun, that adjective is called ordinal numeral adjectives. Look at this example. He is the first boy. He is the first boy in the class. He is the first boy in the class. Here, first is ordinal numeral adjectives because it gradually instructs the place of the noun. If I ask you what is the place of the boy, you may answer me first. Here, boy is noun and first gradually instruct the place of the boy, that is noun. So I hope you understand what is ordinal numeral adjectives. Like first, second, third, fourth, fifth are also ordinal numeral adjectives, because by that number we gradually instruct the place of the noun. So that number are called ordinal numeral adjectives. Now I will try to explain you what is multiplicative numeral adjectives. Multiplicative numeral adjectives. Dear students, the adjectives which instruct how many number the noun has, that adjective is called multiplicative numeral adjectives. I repeat, the adjectives which instruct how many number the noun has, that adjective is called multiplicative numeral adjectives. For your better understand, look at this example. I have double shirt in my in my house. Here I have double shirt in my house. If we want to define this, or if we want to translate this sentence into Bangla, we can say that আমার বাড়িতে দুইটি জামা আছে. Be careful, dear students. Here double instruct how many number the noun has. Here noun is shirt, and shirt instruct how many number it has. If I ask you how many shirts, you may answer me double shirt. So here double is multiplicative numeral adjectives. Here double is multiplicative numeral adjectives because it instructs how many number the noun has. How many shirt? Double shirt. Like this, triple is also multiplicative numeral adjectives because it instructs how many number the noun has. I hope you understand what is multiplicative numeral adjectives. Dear students, you may have remembered that I have told in my first class that there are 4 kinds of adjectives. They are descriptive adjectives, quantitative adjectives, new modal adjectives, and last one is pronominal adjectives. Now I will try to show you what is pronominal adjectives. Pronominal adjective. Dear students, the pronoun which sits before noun and act like an adjective, that pronoun is called pronominal adjectives. I repeat, listen very carefully. The adjectives which sit before noun and act like an adjective, that pronoun is called pronominal adjectives. Look at this sentence. I bought his toy. Look at this sentence. I bought his toy. If we translate this sentence to Bangla, we can say that আমি তার খেলনাটি কিনেছিলাম. Here his is pronoun and it sits before the word toy. Here toy is noun. So this pronoun sits before noun and this pronoun acts like an adjective. So this pronoun is called pronominal adjectives. I hope you understand what is pronominal adjectives. So try to read these topics from your English grammar books and try to exercise it in your home to understand it very easily. In my next class, I will try to explain you the classification of pronominal adjectives. Try to stay at home. Keep fine. Please maintain social distance because the affected rate of COVID-19 it is still above 10%. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.